Good morning, students. Today we are starting with social studies. We were on chapter number 7, National Symbols of India, on page number 31. So we will continue with our chapter. National Emblem. Our state national emblem is adaptation from the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. It is the official seal of the Government of India and is found on all government documents and Indian currency. Below the lion, there is a wheel of law, Dharm Chakra. On its left, there is a horse, and on right, there is a bull. The words Satyamev Jayate from Mundaka Upanishad, meaning truth alone triumphs, are inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script. So, today we are going to learn about national emblem of India. Very important. You always have to remember this throughout your life. What is the national emblem of India? From where it is adapted? All of these things are explained. So, our emblem, the state emblem, is adapted from the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. The official seal, it is sealed by the Government of India that it is officially the national emblem of India. जितने भी गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, करेंसीज है, आपने इंडियन रुपी देखा है, उस पर हमारा नेशनल एम्बलम बना हुआ है. कॉइन्स देखे होंगे, उस पर भी हमारा नेशनल एम्बलम इनग्रेव्ड होता है. जितने भी गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, इंडिया की जितनी भी करेंसीज हैं, सब पे अपना इंडिया का नेशनल एम्बलम बना हुआ है. तो ये हमारा ऑफिशियल सील बन गया एक तरीके से, राइट? नाउ व्हाट डू वी हैव इन दिस नेशनल एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया? क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं हमारे नेशनल एम्बलम में? फर्स्ट वी हैव द 4 लायंस. ओके, 4 लायन है टॉप पे. फोर्थ वन इज फेसिंग द बैक साइड बिकॉज इट इज इन अ सर्क्यूलर फॉर्म. सर्कल में है तो एक लायन पीछे है एंड 3 are in the front. Then below we have the Dharma Chakra or Wheel of Law. English में बोलते हैं Wheel of Law, हिंदी में बोलते हैं धर्म चक्र. Okay? Then on the left we have a horse, on the right we have a bull. Left में horse है, right में bull है और उसके पीछे elephant भी है. It is not mentioned. You also have elephant at the back. Okay? Then the words Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate, that means truth alone triumphs. इसका मतलब है सच की हमेशा जीत होती है. Okay? So the word Satyamev Jayate is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Mundaka Upanishad is an ancient book and the words Satyamev Jayate is taken from that book and inscribed below in Devanagari script. Devanagari script एक स्क्रिप्ट है, एक राइटिंग का फॉर्म है. उस फॉर्म में सत्यमेव जयते नीचे इंस्क्राइब्ड या फिर लिखा हुआ है. ओके? ऑल्सो बिलो यू हैव द इन्वर्टेड लोटस. जो सबसे नीचे आपको दिख रहा है, ये है हमारा इंडिया का नेशनल फ्लावर विच इज लोटस. ओके? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द नेशनल एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, national bird. Our national bird is the Indian peacock, which is known for its beauty and pride. When it rains, it dances, fanning out the tails of around 200 elongated feathers. It is really a gorgeous sight. This bird is protected by the law. So, peacock is our national bird. Indian peacock. because it is beautiful and it shows pride. बहुत ही beautiful है और pride को दिखाता है. That is why it is the national bird of India. जब बारिश होती है तब वो अपने पर फैला के नाचने लगता है, डांस करता है. Yes, it has 200 elongated feathers और ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Okay? Killing peacocks is not allowed. It is prohibited by the law. The law protects our national bird. Next, national animal. Our national animal is the tiger, known for combination of grace, strength, ability and enormous power. Sadly, tigers are being hunted and killed by poachers. To check the dwindling population of tigers in India, Project Tigers was launched in April 1973. So far, 27 tiger reserves have been established in the country under this project, covering an area of 37,761 square kilometers. Okay, so our national animal, who is our national animal? Tiger. Because it shows grace, strength, ability and enormous power. Tigers are very powerful. They have a lot of strength and ability. Okay? बहुत ही gracious भी होते हैं. But many people love killing tigers. जितने भी hunters होते हैं उन्हें tigers को मारने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. They hunt them for their skin. Due to this reason, the tigers are slowly becoming extinguished animal. Yes? So, Project Tigers launched in April 1973. 1973 अप्रैल में प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर्स गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया और 27 टाइगर रिजर्व्स खोले ताकि इन टाइगर्स को बचा सके. वो लोग सारे टाइगर्स को प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं, उनकी काउंटिंग करके रखते हैं एंड दे मेक श्योर दैट नोबडी किल्स देम. ओके, नेक्स्ट, national flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is famous for its purity and dignity. It blooms in the muddy pond but is always so beautiful and clean. It is sacred flower and is used for worshipping Saraswati, the goddess of learning. So, we all know that lotus is our national flower. आपको पता है इवन कीचड़ में लोटस उग जाता है और वो इतनी ब्यूटिफुली ब्लूम करता है कि उससे कुछ भी गंदा नहीं लगता. यस, सो इवन इन द मड इट ब्लूम्स ब्यूटिफुली एंड क्लीन. राइट? इट इज़ फेमस फॉर इट्स प्योरिटी एंड डिग्निटी. कितनी भी गंदगी हो वो खुद को साफ रखता है, प्योर रखता है और डिग्निफाइड रखता है. राइट? The Saraswati, goddesses of learning. Goddess of learning सरस्वती है और उनकी पूजा में भी हम लोग लोटस का यूज़ करते हैं. Right? That is why it is the national flower of India. Below you have been given other symbols. Our national river, fruit, poet, song, game, tree, monument, all of these have been given to you. Learn them. Okay? Learn all the other symbols: national flower, national animal and national bird. Okay? Next, I'm sending you the exercise. Complete the exercise in your book itself. Today's homework is also to read the chapter. Read the whole chapter from the beginning and underline all the main points. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay? Thank you.